If you need to process a document with a fixed layout, your template will be developed with a zonal approach. This means that you will map the fields to be recognized, defining, for each of them, the set of pre-processing, recognition, verified, and output instructions. Zonal template development is very easy, Form's visual mapping is simple and user-friendly, and low-complexity configurations may be developed in just a few minutes, even from users with no software programming skills. If you wish to create a zonal template, the first step is to import an empty image of the document you need to process. You can use any kind of image file, as well as PDF text files. Once you get it, just set the main pre-processing operations to be executed on the entire image, like automatic orientation, deskew, black border removal. Also, set how you wish document alignment to be based on boxes, lines, or entire layout. If you need to extract the text embedded into a PDF text files, remember to enable the full page OCR option. In the scanning section, define the folder you wish images to be saved during the scanning process, as well as some PDF import options. In the correction section you can define some parameters in order to customize Recogniform correction interface. You can activate document and batch confirmation or rejection buttons, and even add new customized buttons, whose behavior will be defined by script. Also, you can set the software in order to show recognition post-processed images, rather than the original ones. This means that an upside-down scanned image will be shown to the operator with the correct orientation. In the Jobs section, you can set some batch default settings. Job name, files per job, persistent variables, job priority. Please note that all these jobs settings will be available only in Recogniform Reader client-server version, and will not be available in the desktop release. Once template parameters have been set, software asks you to define data-output options. You can select either file or database output, just setting the output folder and output file name with its extension, or defining a connection string to any external database. Please remember that everything is deeply customizable, therefore you can bypass these parameters, setting the way you wish to release output information, using the scripting output section.